9 to 1, write a Python program to remove duplicates from the dictionary. Okay, I want to remove duplicates. What are the duplicate values will be there? I want to remove the duplicate from the dictionary. So I think you remember that in dictionary, keys cannot be duplicate, but values can be duplicate. Okay, so if you take out this example, take dictionary. So A1, B1 is said. Don't want B1 because one is repeated here. So I want to remove this duplicate, values duplicate. Okay, I want to return non-duplicates here. Okay, so just take the empty dictionary here. Just iterate through. Okay, first iterate through this key value person. Okay, in this dictionary, iterate through how to iterate the key value pairs through this dictionary using for loop for k comma b in d dot items. Okay, to iterate through these key value pairs. Okay, key value pairs and check if conditions. Okay, if um, we means this one. If we not in d1 dot value. Okay, suppose v a value is value if this value is not in d1 dot value here. So if v is not in d1 value, just we have to update the key value pair to this dictionary. How to add element to this how to add key value pair to this dictionary? Just use the update method. Okay, simple. Or use this one also simple. Or d dot this one d square bracket hyphen k is equal to v. Okay, to add an element to your dictionary. Simple. And not d here, d1. Okay, d1. Okay, simple. d1 dictionary. Print dictionary. Simple. Print d1. Checking. You can do other way also. You can convert into set and because set doesn't have no duplicates. Okay, you can convert to set and recome to dictionary. So many ways, but this is a simple way. Okay, so just iterate it through this for loop and check the condition if loop. If not in d1 dot value, just update that key value pair to this d1 dictionary. Execute it. Select object. Okay, no attribute value determine value. Sorry, here value is a not value. Value is here. Okay, right. Okay, keys and values. No, execute it. Okay, see, observe here. A1 C3. Okay, because one is duplicate now, so the duplicates we have to remove here. A1 and C3. Okay,